Hi kids, welcome to Kidstronics. In this lecture, we are going to see the past ideas about our planet Earth and how we got to our present picture. As long ago as the people around the world involved in the argument that our planet Earth was flat or sphere. On that time, around 340 BC, the Greek philosopher and scientist named Aristotle came and put forward his argument that he is believing that the earth was a round ball and not a flat plate. He told this in his book On the Heavens. People asked how he could say that the earth was a round ball, not a flat plate. To prove his argument, he described the lunar eclipse, which is caused by the sun, the earth and the moon. On the day of lunar eclipse, the rays of the sun fall on the earth and the shadow of the earth falls on the moon, which we call it as lunar eclipse. He observed the moon, that it has an shadow of the earth which was round. All the people asked him that why it should be the sphere, not a flat plate. The flat plate will also give the round shadow. Then he explained that if the earth was a flat disk, the shadow would have been elongated and elliptical, and this should occur at each time when the sun was directly above the center of the earth. All the people agreed his argument. The days passed. After some years, in 64 BC, the Greek geographer, who was named Strabo, also stated that the earth is a sphere. Again the people asked how he can say that earth is sphere without any proof. People asked him, you have any proof for this? Strabo replied, when he looked at the ship from the seashore, which was coming from the other side of the sea. First he saw the sails of the ship coming over the horizon, and only later the hull appeared. So he also concluded that the earth was a sphere. This idea of the spherical earth accepted by the people around the world till now. But after the technological growth, after the invention of the camera in 1800s, the humans had been trying to capture the invention of the camera in 1800s, the humans had been trying to capture the image of the earth. First, they tried to take a photography of the earth from the top of the buildings, kites, balloons, and even from the camera which is tied in the pigeon's neck. What? And also from the flight. But they could not take the clear view of the earth. In 1946, the American scientist strapped a camera in German V2 rocket and launched into the space. But it captured the grainy image of a planet. And also, it only obtained the curvature of the earth but not a whole planet, as it could not reach the enough distance to capture the entire earth. After that, America launched a first imaging satellite, which was Explorer 6 or S2 in 1959, even which was after the launch of Russian Sputnik. But Explorer 6 took the first photo of the earth from the orbit, but it was blurred and still didn't show the entire earth. Finally, the image of the whole earth was taken by AST-3 in 1967, launched by US. But it could not capture all the continents on the earth, as the earth was spherical in shape. Meet you at the next session. Until bye.